It creates and sustains life. It mobilizes people. It is responsible for the day-to-day living of people from all walks of life. It is called water. To some, it is abundant, anytime, anywhere. To others, it is deprived. Dulyan was not an exemption. 42 kilometers away from the city proper, Barangay Dulyan Upper Bungyao is situated in the upland part of the northeastern side of the city of Zamboanga. The area is hilly and mountainous. The water sources of the community were the creeks, spring, and riverbanks. This contributed to the problem of lack of access to potable water supply and waterborne diseases. That is why the Ateneo de Zamboanga University Center for Community Extension Services, in partnership with the Assisi Foundation, answered their plea.
The vision of the CISES is to bring about peace and development through enabling programs and through development programs that would, in the end, improve the quality of life of the people. Every time kung nagpulong-punong kami when we had several meetings with the barangay officials and with the residents, especially with the farmers, ito yung kadalasang lumalabas na problema sa kanila na wala talaga silang tubig, although may tubig sila. For Dulyan cases, may tubig sila, pero diretso yun, coming from the creeks and rivers. So yun, wala silang as in clean water, yung para sa kanilang mga bata at para for their own consumption. Kaya ayun, we look for funder at tamang-tama itong Peace Paths from the Assisi Development Foundation. Isa sa kanilang layunin ay magbigay din ng water project para sagutan yung human security of the people in the marginalized community, especially for IP group.
Actually, yung Assisi, normally yung di-approve nila sa lahat na area sa Mindanao is only 3 kilometers yung distance ng source to the community. In the case of Dulyan, ang actual distance is 7 kilometers. What we did, we requested the Assisi na ipunduhan nila kahit na ganun kalayo kasi ang community naman, they are willing yung counterpart nila is yung labor. So that's why yung Assisi naman with our partnership inapprove nila yung request namin. The community is yung unique nila is nandoon yung yung kultura ng Pilipino ng bayanihan na nakita namin compare sa ibang community.
Dulyan has a population of 2,145 with 333 number of households. 4 sitios with a total of 90 households benefit from the water system project.
Actual water system antes ya kinakel tambay kay po kasi ito konflikto na kontraktor mga 10 anyo siguro kan may agua na por eso causa TSE tapi kalau kami buka mga alternatibo programa kung pwede ka naman ayuda na sitigawan ng gani na mga NGO na kung sila con el favor del Dios ya encuentro con el Ateneo después acabar ya junto también con el Assisi Foundation ya puede sila extend la ayuda ka naman siya en el water system donde ahora tiene kami ese maskin communal pero ayuda grande para ka naman aquí alegre ang mga viviente.
Communication leaders plan to expand their services to the 2 remaining sitios in the barangay. They also plan to establish additional water tank in order to supply uphill sitios in the community. Several families suffered from the waterborne diseases.
Kalimi uno anak, amo kay antes pa ele, jutay pa mga 1 year lang palikil. Yan, amoeba si Elia. Ginta kami ng ospital. Meningitis daw di sa kabesa. Na dali yan, kuan sila ka ng medisina, antibiotic, dali daw kailang anay to. Si hindi daw man convulsion lang daw siyempre, liba lang daw bira ulit niya kanila. Nanay mamang kami liba, iyo tanan medisina tadalik to makanik kunele. Hindi lang man siyempre ta sa palkalor. Na liba kami na SAO private, amukel elo disuyo kuan confirmation del disuyo enfermedad amibas.
On 2009, diarrhea was identified second leading cause of morbidity case. When the water system project was installed in the community on 2010, it dropped to number 8. The program intervention consists of helping rural poor communities gain access to communal potable water facilities using appropriate environmentally friendly and culturally sensitive water tapping technology. On May 6, 2010, the water system project was inaugurated. It was attended by Victoria Elisa Aquino D., the Vice Chair and the Treasurer of the Assisi, other Assisi representatives, and the Ateneo de Zamboanga University community with the President, Father Antonio Moreno. 110 families with an average of 7 members each benefit from the project. A working system committee called the People's Organization has its own leader to oversee the operation and management of the project.
El Panacea allí, decir siempre sabemos todo, especialmente el agua no catita su uso, es el uno. Después el tapada del hose necesita kayo para sabemos todo con el tiempo del mga gente man tiene ba busisero ba tiene besta chucha sila el hose encina. Palisiya tanin jamon para habla kami con publiko, es decir, ayuda sila kopera para isya ton mga host hindi habla pronto parte o basta yan inta kasi kami sa tapa.
El trabajo del yung deposit collector, ano tayong kanina kolekta, después kabardala tayong kanina el resibo con deposit collector, si cuando yung kolekta. And then, virase otra vez, dahil sa kong tesorero ya, may kabarligan ko ng tesorero, ele rin mag-isip ka namon. Gusto ko yung tesor, porque kasi na kami kasi, may para dyan transparency, may abla, kay dyan daya-daya, abla yung pagalan nyo, el po namin yung mag-isip ko para sabi kay sila, miyembro ka na sila tamen, kapag ka ng agwa.
The water system project has opened job opportunities and entrepreneurial possibilities to the residents.
Ngayon, hindi among mga crackers. Mga mothers through RIC organization. Pero RIC, ma'am, established na cooperative. And after farmers, ang skills na develop ko ng mga RIC, ng mga mothers, dyan sila skills, aprende sila mag-develop at sila how to cook mga crackers. At importante, dyan sila livelihood, dyan sila income at diyan. Although manduti ay dyan sa endo, pero dyan kami siya na ikundan diyan.
Sir Kadel Jamon Banana Crackers, ya experience ya mga nana, kay bien bueno gat si para kanila, kay el día taas sila kabar, al sera el tarde, ta puede sila o recibir el poco el sueldo dila para a la mañana pues ya nadila mga anak, pasahe, baon. Del prinsipyo taas kami, may gat kami agua, sa dormenta kat kami acerca del agua, kay el agua bin importante para kanamon, si el mga kosa tausa hindi laban na hindi tamen bueno.
Problems on sources of drinking water like river, creeks, and spring, and waterborne diseases were eliminated. Tasks could now be easily accomplished and people are more productive. Farmers could now plant cash crops and representatives from other groups engage in tree planting activities because of a reliable source of water. Women established the Rural Improvement Club where they can make use of their skills in their livelihood, such as banana cracker entrepreneurship, weaving, and the like. Also, Women have more time doing the household chores. Children have more time playing and doing schoolwork. ADSU CSES has not only helped Dulian with its water system project. The same project was inaugurated at Sitio Luok, Barangay Limpapa, located at the end of the west coast of Zamboanga City on February 24, 2009. It was a great aid to the community since it brought clean water from a spring 2 kilometers away to the households of 200 families. The water systems were answered prayers that brought the communities more reason to rejoice and savor life. It was through this that people no longer have to worry in terms of water. They have more time for the community, for their loved ones, their children, their family, and for themselves. The people were really grateful of the change brought by the intervention in their community.
Bueno, kadal ara kay magkin tinibes ano na eskwela banya lang man. Antes limpia lang cuerpo kay may agua. May agua kami na kay lehos man. Na ara tinibes kasi tarde taliga tabanya pa uli. Sa eskwela balis ka tinibes aga lagi. Tarde liga taba.
The remaining challenge for them now is to find means of allowing their neighboring sitios to experience the same improvement they are currently enjoying. A thoughtful heart and a selfless desire for their neighboring communities. Values every community should possess. Values that make the help worth it.